Alfalfa sprouts were named al-fal-fa by the Arabs who recognized them as the father of all foods. Alfalfa sprouts are full of vitamins and minerals and are very low in calories. They're versatile, inexpensive, and easy to grow. Benefits: alfalfa sprouts are a good source of soluble fiber, and this helps to reduce cholesterol and aid in weight loss. Alfalfa sprouts also help in controlling blood sugar due to the presence of fiber, which act by slowing down absorption of glucose in the intestines. Alfalfa sprouts also assist with stimulating breast milk production. It is regarded as a galactagogue. Alfalfa sprouts reduce chronic diseases by antioxidant activity. Consuming alfalfa sprouts over time is touted to reduce the number of free radicals in the body and thus providing long-term benefits in terms of decreasing the inflammation. Alfalfa sprouts are very low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Alfalfa sprouts can improve immune system function. Raw alfalfa sprouts are abundant in saponins and contain an array of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support the immune system. Alfalfa sprouts are rich in a nutrient that is important for bone and cardiovascular health. 1 cup of alfalfa sprouts contains about 10 micrograms of vitamin K, which is about 10% of the daily value. Adequate intake of vitamin K is associated with lower risk of cardiovascular disease and hip fracture in observational studies. Possible side effects: vitamin K intake may decrease the effectiveness of warfarin and other anticoagulant medications. Individuals taking these medications should consult with their prescribing doctor before increasing vitamin K-rich foods in their diet. Raw alfalfa sprouts contain a compound called cannabinine, which may cause flare-up in individuals diagnosed with lupus. To be safe, those with systemic lupus erythematosus might avoid or limit consumption of raw alfalfa sprouts. Raw sprouts may be contaminated with E. coli or salmonella. If you decided to eat raw sprouts, buy only sprouts kept at refrigerator temperature and rinse sprouts thoroughly with water before use. Rinsing can help remove surface dirt. Alfalfa sprouts contain a significant amount of fiber, hence the consumption might lead to gas production, abdominal discomfort, as well as diarrhea. Alfalfa sprouts have been reported to have estrogenic effects, hence people with hormone-sensitive cancers should avoid it. Quantity recommendations: it is recommended that one consumes 1 to 2 cups of alfalfa sprouts. 1 cup contains approximately 7.6 calories, and the consumption of alfalfa sprouts every day may be good for the heart. Alfalfa sprouts can be included daily as a complement to salads or side dishes. Remember to wash them before consuming and discard those that look in bad condition. 1/2 to 1 cup of alfalfa sprouts from a reliable source can be consumed regularly. 1 cup of alfalfa sprouts is considered a serving. Purchase and store sprouts in refrigeration and rinse thoroughly with water before consuming.